there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change the video quality on your camera TP-Link C325WB. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to choose our camera in the tab application and then click on the settings icon on the right upper corner. As a next step, go to this tab which is named Video and Display. Here, go to this tab which says Video Quality, and here is it. As you can see, currently we have auto, but we can see two other options here, which is 2K, QHDI, and also 720p. So if we will talk about these two qualities, the 720p is more low quality, so the image may be not that clear and detailed, but it's data saving and it requires not that good Wi-Fi connection. And the 2K QHD is the best quality of the video. You would be able to see every detail on the camera recording, but it requires a really good and fast internet connection. Here you can change it manually or set it on auto. And after this, just click on this arrow to save the changes. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.